Bitcoin cash value equivalent to 9,032.62 rands a coin. The present cost range, 89 and 1496.90 308.68. The earlier day close, 9,080.82. The change was 48.20, 53%. Converse rate, ZAR to BCH. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for August 2024. To start with, cost at 11,454 rands. Exorbitant cost 11,454, while low cost 9,804. They found the middle value of cost 10,814. Bitcoin cash cost gauge toward the month's end 10,542. Change for August 80%. Bitcoin cash conjecture for September 2024. At the outset, cost at 10,542 rands. Excessive cost 12,851, while low cost 10,542. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 11,486. Bitcoin cash cost conjecture toward the month's end 12,010. Change for September 13.9%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for October 2024. At the outset, cost at 12,010 rands. Excessive cost 12,010, while low cost 10,91. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 11,292. Bitcoin cash cost figure toward the month's end 10,958. Change for October 88%. Bitcoin cash figure for November 2024. Initially cost at 10,958 rands. Excessive cost 12,100, while low cost 10,516. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 11,221. Bitcoin cash cost figure toward the month's end 11,308. Change for November 32%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for December 2024. Initially cost at 11,308 rands. Excessive cost 13,668, while low cost 11,308. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 12,265. Bitcoin cash cost figure toward the month's end 12,774. Change for December 13%. Bitcoin cash figure for January 2025. Before all else, cost at 12,774 rands. Excessive cost 12,774, while low cost 10,536. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 11,853. Bitcoin cash cost figure toward the month's end 11,329. Change for January 11.3%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for February 2025. Before all else, cost at 11,329 rands. Exorbitant cost 12,316, while low cost 10,704. They found the middle value of cost 11,465. Bitcoin cash cost gauge toward the month's end 11,510. Change for February 16%. Bitcoin cash gauge for Walk 2025. In the first place, cost at 11,510 rands. Exorbitant cost 14,287, while low cost 11,510. They found the middle value of cost 12,665. Bitcoin cash cost gauge toward the month's end 13,352. Change for spring 16%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for April 2025. First and foremost, cost at 13,352 rands. Exorbitant cost 14,845, while low cost 12,903. They found the middle value of cost 13,744. Bitcoin cash cost estimate toward the month's end 13,874. Change for April 39%. Bitcoin cash estimate for May 2025. Initially cost at 13,874 rands. Excessive cost 14,484, while low cost 12,588. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 13,621. Bitcoin cash cost figure toward the month's end 13,536. Change for May 24%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for June 2025. Before all else, cost at 13,536 rands. Excessive cost 13,536, while low cost 11,416. They found the middle value of cost 12,691. Bitcoin cash cost gauge toward the month's end 12,275. Change for June 9.3%. Bitcoin cash gauge for July 2025. In the first place, cost at 12,275 rands. Exorbitant cost 13,664, while low cost 11,876. They found the middle value of cost 12,646. Bitcoin cash cost gauge toward the month's end 12,770. Change for July 40%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for August 2025. In the first place, cost at 12,770 rands. Exorbitant cost 15,850, while low cost 12,770. The found the middle value of cost 14,851. Bitcoin cash cost estimate toward the month's end 14,8 to 13. Change for August 16%. Bitcoin cash estimate for September 2025. First and foremost cost at 14,8 13 rands. Exorbitant cost 16,101, while low cost 13,995. The found the middle value of cost 14,989. Bitcoin cash cost estimate toward the month's end 15,048. Change for September 6%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for October 2025. First and foremost cost at 15,048 rands. Exorbitant cost 15,048, while low cost 12,917. The found the middle value of cost 14,226. Bitcoin cash cost estimate toward the month's end 13,889. Change for October 7%. Bitcoin cash gauge for November 2025. In the first place, cost at 13,889 rands. Exorbitant cost 14,395, while low cost 12,511. The found the middle value of cost 13,562. Bitcoin cash cost estimate toward the month's end 13,453. Change for November 1%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for December 2025. First and foremost cost at 13,453 rands. Exorbitant cost 15,939, while low cost 13,453. The found the middle value of cost 14,435. Bitcoin cash cost estimate toward the month's end 14,896. Change for December 7%. Bitcoin cash gauge for January 2026. In the first place, cost at 14,896 rands. Exorbitant cost 14,896, while low cost 11,795. The found the middle value of cost 13,568. Bitcoin cash cost estimate toward the month's end 12,683. Change for January 9%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for February 2026. First and foremost cost at 12,683 rands. Exorbitant cost 15,742, while low cost 12,683. The found the middle value of cost 13,955. Bitcoin cash cost estimate toward the month's end 14,712. Change for February 16%. Bitcoin cash gauge for Walk 2026. To start with, cost at 14,712 rands. Exorbitant cost 15,993, while low cost 13,901. The found the middle value of cost 14,888. Bitcoin cash cost gauge toward the month's end 14,947. Change for spring 16%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for April 2026. To start with, cost at 14,947 rands. Exorbitant